So in this video we are going to convert octal to decimal form, and I having the number 156 8 is equal to, I need to convert this in the base 10, and there is a simple procedure which we follow in this video. It is we need to just write 8 because we are going to convert octal to decimal. So we need to multiply it with 8 to the power 0 from the rightmost derivative, and we just need to increase the degree of 8 from the rightmost to the leftmost derivative. So 6 into 8 to the power 0, and then 5 into 8 to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 to the power 2, I can write it. So I'll get 64 plus 40 plus 6 here, and by counting this I will get 110, which is 10, base 10, and which is equivalent to 156 8. So it is the simple procedure which I have to follow, and I can follow this, no problem. Now there is a second problem, which is octal to hexadecimal conversion. My octal form is 536 octal, which I need to convert in hexadecimal form. But there is again issue, because there is a difference between these two architecture. Octal follows 3-digit architecture and hexadecimal follows 4-digit architecture. So first we need to convert this number into the binary form, and then we will going to convert in the hexadecimal. So the simple procedure which I have to follow, by using in the octal digit, I can write 6 as 110. You can count it. 2 to the power 0 into 0, 2 to the power 1 into 1, and 2 to the power 2 into 1. Like 2 to the power 1 into 1 and 2 to the power 2 into 1, and 2 to the power 2 means 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. I get it. And likewise I can write 011 as 3, and I can write 101 as 5. You can count it by doing 2 to the power. Now I merge this number in one bracket. I get this, and now I will going to distribute this number from the rightmost position in 4-4 form and get another number, right? Like 0111. So I write 0111. This is 4 digit. Now distribute 1010, 1010, and again 1 1. Here there are no zeros, so I can write this to make this hexadecimal. I get from here 14, I get here 5, I get here 1. So I can write 15 E, because in hexadecimal form 14 we can call 14 as a capital E. So that is my answer, and 15E is equivalent to 536 8. This is E, and it is my equivalent checking answer. So you can see, this is the simple procedure to convert octal to hexadecimal form.